Vanakkam guys, welcome to Vidya's Healthy Kitchen. Today I am going to make yellow pumpkin paratha. Yellow pumpkin is also called as kaddu in Hindi and parangikkai in Tamil. Yellow pumpkin is rich in vitamin A and in beta carotene. It also has high antioxidant content and is full of fiber. This high water content vegetable is a must-have in summers. We generally have pumpkin in the form of sabzi or we put it in sambar. Today, I'll show you an easy and an interesting way of including pumpkin in your regular diet by making pumpkin paratha. Let us now get into the recipe. I have taken a medium-sized portion of yellow pumpkin. I'm going to cut it into a smaller portion and chop off the seeds. I'm also going to cut the outer skin of the pumpkin. Now I have the clean pumpkin portions. I'm going to use a grater and grate them finely. The pumpkin is grated well. Now to a stone grinder, I'm adding 2 green chilies slit and an inch of ginger peeled and cut. I'm going to grind them coarsely. As pumpkin basically has the sweet taste, adding green chili and ginger paste gives a good spice touch to the recipe. They are coarsely ground and I'm going to keep it aside. To a bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of whole wheat flour, that is chapati atta. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, the coarsely ground ginger chili paste, few freshly chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds powder, that is jeera powder. I'm also crushing half a tablespoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain seeds or omam, and adding them. And finally adding the grated yellow pumpkin. I'm going to mix them all together without adding any water at the beginning. As pumpkin already has a lot of water content, we'll add water only if it is necessary. As the mixture is still dry, we would be needing water. However, I'm going to add water very little by little. And I'm going to make a soft but a firm dough. The dough is ready. I'm applying little oil and coating it on all sides, and I'm going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I kneaded it for another 5 minutes and I've taken a small portion and I'm dusting it in the flour. I'm going to roll it into a slightly thick paratha. Now I've kept my cast iron chapati tawa. Once it gets heated, I'm placing the rolled paratha. After one side is 1/4 cooked, I'm going to flip it and I'm applying little ghee. And I'll flip it the other side. I'm applying little ghee on the other side as well. And I will keep it till the paratha is cooked well on both the sides. The hot pumpkin paratha is ready to be served with your favorite side dish. Please try making this healthy, simple and easy paratha and let me know how you liked it. I would love to hear your comments on the same. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. The details are given in the description. Till then, take care. Happy cooking!